back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. Today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful seasoned oven baked wedges. Alright, let's get on with it. First thing, I've got some potatoes. I'm leaving the skin on. These are nice, nice new potatoes. You're going to cut these up like I'm doing right there. We're going to cut these into, as the name says, a wedge. We're going to make these little eighths. Put those straight into an oven dish like I'm doing right there. So just cut those along, be nice and careful, use your knife of course, and I'm going to season these up. Salt, like that. I'm going to add in a little bit of onion powder, of course, we want that flavour in, a bit of garlic powder, a little bit of smoked paprika, that can go in as well. Very simple, this dish. A bit of oil. I'm using a peanut oil. You use olive oil, canola oil, vegetable oil, whatever you like. Don't use crude oil. Just mix all those through like I'm doing right there. Get those flavors all to get mingled and intertwined into each other. Very simple. I've got my oven sitting at 180 to 190 degrees. I'll leave the temperature up to you. I use mine just at 180 degrees. Make sure everything's nice and even. They can go into the oven until they are cooked. It's going to take you about 20-25 minutes. You've got your meal already served up. Out comes our wedges. How good do they look? Alright. And all you need to do is simply serve those along with whatever you want to serve them with. You can even have them on their own with sour cream to go awesome as well. Alright, there you go. KP's really easy seasoned oven cooked wedges or potato wedges. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit a notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to cook something that looks as good and tastes as good as this and is really easy. Well, you need to come join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Alright. I'm off to eat these amazing wedges and I will catch you next time. Bye!